Here is the variation of Mark Shropshire's cross-crawl lunge matrix that I'm going to use for this. So we've added a slight change. So I start with a cross-crawl up, because that tells me that'll come in handy shortly. And I'm going to reach my leg back, come out to the side, reach back behind. All right, cross-crawl up, lunge back, lunge forward, return to the start. The foot that was planted the whole time then triggers the first cross crawl. Then back, across, behind, up, lunge, forward lunge. You can do that with your elbow, you can do it with a weight vest, you can do it holding a kettlebell. Mark has a whole video of different variations, including deficits and different things like that. Track that video down. Hopefully we'll put a link to it in the description here. But that's the basic idea that I've used with my clients, because that first cross crawl, it's in front of us. It's just easy for our brain to make that work. That's what we're doing for cross crawls this month.